Achieve a beautiful natural finish with Smith's Color Wall. Smith's Color Wall is a water-based, extra-strength stain developed to achieve a decorative appearance on porous vertical surfaces. It is an excellent tool for creating realistic rockscapes as well as natural coloring for retaining walls. Smith's Color Wall incorporates increased pigment solids for easily controlled color depth while achieving a satin natural appearance. Superior adhesion to interior and exterior concrete, brick, plaster, stucco, and terracotta allows the user to apply this stain to a variety of surfaces. These stains are ultraviolet light, alkali, and weather resistant in addition to water submersible after a minimum drying time of 48 hours. A sealer is recommended for applications exposed to excessive surface wear. This video will demonstrate the required surface preparation and stain application for a faux concrete rock retaining wall. Surface preparation is the most crucial step to achieving a beautiful, long-lasting stained concrete. Note that Smith's Color Wall stains utilize the porosity of the substrate to achieve a natural appearance. Applying Smith's Color Wall over a high build coating or sealed surface will result in run marks. It is best to remove the existing film-forming material in order to achieve the desired natural appearance. When applying Smith's Color Wall to vertical concrete, terracotta, brick, or cinder block, power wash the surface utilizing an overlapping line pattern with a 0-degree rotating nozzle. The power wash unit must have a minimum of 12,000 work units. Work units is calculated by multiplying gallons per minute times pounds per square inch. As demonstrated, the entire surface is power washed. If the power washer is creating surface scarring or indentations, move the tip further away from the substrate. This process will remove mold release, deteriorated coatings, suspended dirt, and other foreign materials, as well as clean the pores of the concrete for superior stain adhesion. To ensure proper surface preparation, perform a tape test. The outcome of the test is important in determining the likelihood of a successful installation. The tape test consists of applying 12-inch strips of clear 2-inch packaging tape to different areas of the dry surface. Rub the tape down tightly to the surface of the concrete using your thumb or the heel of your hand. Vigorously pull the tape off the substrate. Hold the strips up to the light while looking for particles of concrete or inhibitors that may have stuck to the tape. If an abundant amount of particles are present on the piece of tape, the surface must be cleaned. The tape test should be repeated after each cleaning to ensure that the surface of concrete is both strong and clean enough for optimal stain adhesion. On recently cleaned surfaces, stain can be applied as long as there is no standing water. During high-temperature seasons, place your hand on the intended application surface. If the surface is too hot to rest your hand on, do not apply Smith's Color Wall. Additionally, Smith's Color Wall should not be applied when the air temperature is below 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, be sure to tape and mask all areas that are not intended to be stained. Smith's Color Wall is packaged as a concentrate. For the initial base color on substrates that have not been previously stained or coated, simply mix a ratio of 1 part Smith's Color Wall concentrate with 2 parts Smith's Base Boost and 2 parts distilled, deionized, or reverse osmosis water results in a ready-to-use stain. Not only does the modified acrylic found in Smith's Color Wall achieve a superior mechanical bond with the surface, but also the Smith's Base Boost utilize the unreacted calcium hydroxide found in concrete to create a reactionary bond. For highlight colors as well as stain application over previously coated substrates, mix 1 part Smith's Color Wall concentrate to 4 parts distilled, deionized, or reverse osmosis water. Smith's Base Boost should only be used to dilute Smith's Color Wall for application of the base colors onto substrates that have not been previously coated. In the case of a previously stained surface, the stain will inhibit the Base Boost from reacting, resulting in less durable stain and potential bond breaker. In addition, please note that only distilled, deionized, and reverse osmosis type water should be used to achieve an optimal adhesion and product durability. For this demonstration, Smith's Color Wall CF700 Fawn Stain is applied as a base color to the demonstration wall using a Graco 395 Ultra airless sprayer with a 513 tip. Smith's Color Wall can also be applied via C-sponge, traditional bristle brush, or high-volume low-pressure sprayer. The use of a sponge or bristle brush will result in mechanical lines. For best results, create a mist of Smith's Color Wall onto the intended substrate. A beautiful variegated finish is achieved through the various absorbencies of the surface. Smith's Color Wall stains should be applied from the bottom of the vertical surface to the top. As the applicator applies stain to the higher areas, over-application or excess stain can be easily absorbed from the stained substrate utilizing a sponge or rag. If, however, a Smith's Color Wall application starts at the top of the substrate, drips or runs onto the unstained concrete may occur, resulting in dark spots and lines in the finished appearance. Lastly, note the applicator applies the stain from several different angles and directions to avoid spray lines. After allowing the base color to dry to the touch, which will take approximately 15 to 20 minutes depending on temperature, airflow, and humidity, highlight colors can be applied. All Smith's Color Wall stains are compatible, thus can be mixed, sprayed simultaneously, and layered to achieve a desired appearance. In this application, the two highlight colors applied are CW630 Amber and CW290 Dark Chocolate. The color wall concentrates are diluted with 4 parts water. Highlight colors add to the natural appearance of the finished wall by increasing the depth and hints of color. The amber stain is applied randomly to 25 to 30% of the surface, allowing the mist to absorb naturally into the base color. As the color dries, a natural transition is achieved from the highlight to the base color. A second highlight color of dark chocolate stain is applied for added variation. Allow the primary highlight stain to dry to the touch before applying the second highlight color. Randomly apply the second highlight color to 25 to 30% of the surface, in this case layering the dark chocolate over the amber highlight and foam base stain. Layering and mixing highlights over the natural variation of the base stain will result in a beautiful, realistic work of art. For increased durability for applications exposed to excess surface wear such as climbing or walkways, the application of Smith's Seal WB is recommended.